Today, you're going to learn how to create and send customer statements in QuickBooks Online. Customer statements are a great way to remind clients of outstanding balances, provide a clear summary of their activity, or simply keep communication transparent. QuickBooks makes this process simple by allowing you to review, customize, and send statements directly from your account. Begin by signing in to QuickBooks Online. Once your dashboard appears, navigate to the All Apps menu on the left side of the screen. From here, select Customer Hub. This will bring you to the area where all your customer records and billing information are managed. Click on Customers to open your full customer list. Now, look through the list and tick the checkbox next to the customer or group of customers you want to send a statement to. Once you've made your selections, go to the Batch Actions drop-down. This menu gives you options for handling multiple customer tasks at once. Choose the option to create a statement. You'll now choose the type of statement you want to send. You can select a balance forward statement, which gives a simple summary of the previous balance, new charges, payments, and the current amount due. You can choose an open item statement that lists each outstanding invoice separately. Or you can select a full transaction statement, which includes all activity within a specified date range. Enter the statement date, and if you're sending an open item or transaction statement, adjust the start and end dates as needed. QuickBooks will then generate a summary so you can confirm that the right transactions are included. Take a moment to review this carefully. When everything looks correct, preview the statement to make sure all details appear the way you expect. Once you're satisfied, click Save and Send to deliver the statement to your customer. That's it. You've now created and sent customer statements in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.